Hi there, we are going to do our Chromebook Blitz for March, and this time it is using the Chromebook camera. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the very bottom left hand of the screen, and there's a little circle down there, and it is called the launcher. When you click on that, you should get the camera app to pop up, and it just populates right there like that. And then you can see I have my grid view turned on. I can turn that off or on. There's also a timer that we can use, so I'm going to click on that and it's going to count down. When I take my photo, it's on right now. 3, 2, 1. There it is. So it takes my photo and I can click on the little image in the bottom right, and there's my photo. So it's important to name your photo. We'll just call that Cami Hands. And it helps out if you name that photo right away. So I'm going to close that. And close this. All right, now when I come into my folder on the very bottom, little blue folder at the very bottom of my Chromebook, I can find that picture under camera. And you can see there it is, and I've named some of those, so that's helpful. If I want to put that into a document, I can I've got Google Slides. This would work in Google Docs. Sheets, I go Insert, Image. I have to go Upload from Computer. On my Chromebook, it's actually going to open up that space. There is the camera one, and I'm going to insert that photo. So there it is. Okay, I'm going to make it a little smaller. That's the harder way. There is an easier way to take a photo with your Chromebook, especially if you're in a slides or doc. If you go to Insert, look at this, Image from Camera. The camera is going to open right away in a moment. There it is. I can click the camera button, and if I don't like that or I'm not sure, I can show it my elbow. All right, let's say I want to use my elbow picture. I'm going to click on that one, hit Insert, and I'm going to move that over. It will also be found in my files down here. When you do your Chromebook challenge, you are going to take a picture or two of yourself. One final fun little step that I want us to do is to click on a picture. We'll use this one. And then the crop tool has a little arrow beside it called the masking tool. I'm going to click on that little arrow. There we go, shapes. And then we want to turn this into any shape. Let's do this funky kind of plus right there. So masking tool, and take your picture and make it into a shape. And that's what you will submit from your Chromebook camera with a shape for our Chromebook Blitz.